What's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here, and in this video I'm going to show you a day in the life of an affiliate marketer, so stay tuned. And if you're brand new, please subscribe to the channel because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And go ahead, like this video, and let's dive right into the content right now, guys. It's like right around 10 o'clock in the morning, if you can see this. And so far, I've had a couple glasses of water. That's one of the first things that I do when I wake up in the morning, is you need to hydrate. You've been dehydrated for 8 to 12 hours in the night. And so you guys, your first goal in the morning is to get energy, get yourself in state, prime yourself for productivity. And the way to do that, the way that I do it, is from drinking 2 glasses of water. Now, after that, what I'll do is I will have the coffee, and this just isn't any type of coffee. It's black coffee, right? As boring as that sounds, there's no sweeteners, no artificial flavoring or whatsoever in that, no sugar. And the reason I do that, guys, is for a number of reasons. Number one, productivity, right? It's like straight fuel, and my blood sugar is not going to spike. And also, it's to blunt my appetite. You know, a lot of people have this routine when they get up in the morning to eat breakfast. Well, what breakfast can do is actually take energy away from you. When your body is focused on digesting in the morning, you feel sluggish and you actually feel tired. So I've talked about that success is in the details. And this is one of the rules to success. While most people are focused on the external stuff, like their business and traffic and conversions and trying to find the secret, we realize as entrepreneurs, all of you guys on this channel, you should know at this point from what I teach, is that you are your business. Your health is a facet of your business. Your mental state is a facet of your business. We've got to prime ourselves for productivity in the day. We're playing this game of chess, guys, not checkers. We've got to realize this. So everything that I do in my day, this is a routine that I've created over years and years and years of trying a bunch of different things. And you've got to realize, guys, if you want to get energy, you've got to go out and you've got to expend energy. Have you noticed when you go running, after you're done running, you got these positive endorphins going and you just feel better, you feel more energetic, you feel more creative. And so what we want to do first thing in the morning is we want to get into state. So I get in state by drinking a glass of water. I get in state by drinking 1 or 2 cups of black coffee, and I really don't have anything to eat until about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. This is called intermittent fasting. So not only do I have energy and focus and increased productivity, but I also can lose weight. You can lose weight by following this routine and build muscle. And so I'm all about killing 2 birds with 1 stone. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the gym, and I'm going to listen to some personal development audio and work out, which again, we're increasing our productivity. We're learning as we're, improving our body, as we're getting more energy. And so I'm all about leverage points and productivity, and that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So with that said, enough of me talking for a second. We're going to go to the gym. It'd be really nice if the Brazilian could hurry. What'd you just drink?
Creatine, glutamine.
Before your workout? We're just sticking to black coffee, guys. That's it. See you at the gym. So we're heading to the gym. As you guys know, I haven't even touched the laptop yet. I haven't checked social media or my email. And this is a culprit for a lot of you guys. When you first get up in the morning, I know you're checking your phone, you're probably sleeping with your phone, you're checking social media. What this does is it starves you of your time, and you end up getting caught up in somebody else's agenda. And that's the last thing that we want to do. Is I'm clear on my goals every single day as to what I need to accomplish, and I will not let anybody else take up my time that doesn't help me get closer to my goals, okay? So just a quick tip on the road before we get to the gym, and we'll see you there.
My people, it's time to move out. Move out. My My people, it's time to move out, show 'em what we do now. They say that work seems so hard to follow. I am not a role model, only a teacher. Teach 'em when the school's out. Preacher man preaching to each his own. Mano we mano, fly away, fly away. Fly away with me, it's time to fly away, fly away. His blood set me free, it's time to fly away. While I'm slipping like an absent thought, rollerblade skipping, skidding along the top of Noah's Ark. Cypher holy art, me and my people think we know it all. Flowing suspenseful poems, suspenders in every word, wearing overalls, overdosing, trained as a locomotive, conductor of commotion, controlling the road we on. I know we are. I remember being so high, I didn't know that the load could unfold, sleeping with eyes of gold. Sing your praise forever. It never, I flood life forever. It never, sing your prayers forever. It never. My people, it's time to move out. Homie looking for a shootout. I duck him and dodge him, weave him on the track like some Indian hair. If you feel it, know this ain't a villain getting you there. This that only Holy Spirit preacher man preaching you here. I am not a messiah, oh no. I am just blessed with a fire in my soul. Though it's time to...
Alright guys, just got done with the workout. It's about 12 o'clock and I want to give you guys some quick advice on just some fitness tips. Of course, I'm not a fitness expert, but you know, intermittent fasting has changed my life. Working out a certain way has changed my life completely because, as I said, it's all about productivity, guys. What I've been focusing on in the gym is working out 3 times a week and focusing on one workout per body part. So I'm using a philosophy called reverse pyramid training, which means I do my heaviest set first and then I work down from there. So what people tend to do is they will warm up and do like 3 sets of 10 and then they will go heavier and they will do less reps as they, you know, go heavier in their weight. And the problem with that is by the time they're doing, like, for example, 5 reps, they've already exhausted their muscles to a certain point. Where I believe you should do your heaviest set first when you're fresh. That way you will get the maximum benefit and the maximum return, and you'll be able to break down that muscle that much more, and you'll come back in the gym stronger. So people have philosophies that you got to work out 5 days a week, you got to kill yourself in the gym. I don't believe that. Just like I don't believe in your business that you got to hustle 24/7 to make it. I mean, it depends on what your goals are. If you want to buy the New York Jets like Gary Vee, that's one thing. But if you want good work-life balance, you know, that's another thing. My goal is to make $100,000 a month working no more than 2 to 4 hours a day, and I'm documenting that on this channel. So we will see. I will make it work. I will figure it out. Sometimes you got to do some testing, some tweaking here and there, you know, with your, you know, workout regimen, with your work regimen. You know, for a long time I was doing things in my business that just weren't productive. I thought they were productive, but they were the things that didn't give me the biggest ROI. And, you know, that's a journey in itself. So again, be willing to stick around. Don't quit. You'll figure this stuff out. And I hope this channel, this video, is helping you with that. So with that said, we're going to go grab something to eat. We'll see you in just a second. All right, so here we are back in the Elder house. I actually decided to grab a quick snack. We're actually going to go out to eat later, but this is my first meal of the day, and I'm going to check some emails finally. Finally, I'm getting on the computer. First off, I want to see if any commissions came in for the day. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and you can see, check this out. Let me see if I can zoom in real quick for you guys. You guys can actually see that $444.15 has already came in today on a Sunday, June 10th. Now this is the power of leverage, you guys, being able to wake up, enjoy your morning, take care of your health, take care of yourself, and still make money. Pretty cool, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check my emails here, answer some emails. I'm also going to answer some YouTube comments as well. I'll spend some time brainstorming, my next video campaign, what I'm going to talk about, what the topic of conversation is. And typically I'll do that at night, like right around 7 or 8 at night. That's when I kind of brainstorm and get ideas as to what videos I'm going to create next. All right, guys, so it's about 2 o'clock right now, and I'm actually just editing this very video for you. Typically, I'd be doing this right around 8 or 9 p.m. at night, but since this is kind of an all-day project, I want to make sure that I get this out to you guys, and so, my day is going to be a little bit different because of that, but typically I would brainstorm some ideas between 7 and 8 o'clock of what I wanted to cover for that same day. And you guys can do this however you want. You can spend a Sunday brainstorming ideas for the whole entire week, but I like to do it sort of in increments. I'll think up ideas as I'm going through my day too as well. I just don't spend time brainstorming at night, but I'll do this throughout the day and sort of put ideas together and sort of start scripting what I want to say in my head, so to speak. And I was able to do this through just constant effort and consistency and learning and persevering. So it might take some time for you guys to find your voice. But basically my leverage points for the day, if there was one thing that I could tell you to get done, or 2 things, it would be to send out an email to your list, which is what I just did before I went ahead and edited this video. Is I sent out an email to my list just simply giving value. Sometimes I'll sell, but my goal is to give value, create relationships, further my relationships with my list, and also sell something. And you should be doing that, at least every other day, I would say, if not every 3 to 4 days. And then in between that, just give a ton of value. So sending out an email and then getting this video uploaded. One great thing about this, guys, is when I upload this video, it will rank in YouTube. It will get views on a continuous basis. And that's where you get leverage. This video will be viewed while I'm sleeping at night, while I'm at the gym tomorrow, and while I'm on vacation, so on and so forth. So you want highly leveraged activities. And when I can send out one email to thousands and thousands of people, and I can upload one video to thousands and thousands of people, that is leverage, my friend. And I would love to teach you leverage. If you got value from this video, let me know by liking this video, by commenting below. I will upload more videos like this if you did enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You guys know that I'm uploading daily content for you guys. And if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch in detail, then go ahead and check out my Inner Circle program below in the description. And I'll also post some other resources below that will help you get started the right way and further scale your affiliate marketing business, regardless of whether you're a newbie or a seasoned veteran. So with that said, hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you in the next video. Bless you and take care. Until next time.